Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some homemade wine. You all have been requesting this for quite some time, so I got a friend of mine to help share her recipe with me so I can share it with you all. So if you would like to see how to make homemade wine, keep watching. So remember, this is her recipe and everyone makes homemade wine differently. We're going to be starting with our mashed grapes. You can use any type of fruit you would like. We're going to place that in a big jug. You can use an opaque jug if you like, or you can use a bucket depending on how much you want to make. Next, we're going to go in with some prunes. Now the prunes and raisins go in is to help add body and flavor. Next, we're going to go in with sugar and yeast. Instant or dry active would work fine. And now we're going to add in water. When you're adding in your water, make sure you leave a space for about 2 inches at the top, because as this starts to activate, the grapes would be moving up and down in the bottle, and you want to give it enough room for the gases that would build up. So we're going to allow it to sit in a dark space for 21 days. You don't want to touch it at this time, just let it do its thing. And then after that 21 days, you'll see how it would look like. So now it's been 21 days and this is what it looks like. When I opened it and I smelled it, it smelled very similar to a Merlot, probably a Cabernet, one of those very tart wines. But she said that if you want a sweeter wine, you just add some more sugar to it and sweeten it to your preference. So we're going to strain this out. And one tip she gave me after I strained it was you want to strain it and don't let the sediments at the bottom come into the strainer also, because then you'll have to wait for it to settle. But if you do that, that's okay. You'll see I did that here. So you want to stop right there and don't let that white creamy substance come in. So I'm just straining out the extra liquid. You see that cloudy substance in there? That's the sediment. So you can sweeten it at this time, taste and sweeten. But I'm going to pour this out into a jug and allow everything to settle one more time, because there will be some sediments at the bottom. So it will take about a day, if not a couple of hours, for that to happen. And you want to leave your jug, don't let anyone touch it, just leave it in a safe space and allow that to happen. And once it's settled, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now look at the bottom of the jug. You see the sediments there? That's what I was talking about. You want that to settle, and then you go ahead and take your time and you pour out your wine and enjoy it. You can enjoy it chilled or on ice. So how easy, simple and delicious was that? I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. A special thank you to Delia for sharing her recipe with us. Thank you so much once again. Thank you all for joining me. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.